Hey everyone, today we're taking a closer look at Globe Life Insurance, a name you've probably seen on TV, in the mail, or online offering low cost life insurance with no medical exam. But is it a legit option or something you should avoid? Also, a lot of you ask me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. Also, quick disclaimer, this review is based on publicly available research and personal opinion. Globe Life Insurance is known for easy to access life insurance policies you can buy online, over the phone, or even through the email or through the mail. One of its main selling points is no medical exam required and low rates for the first month, which definitely appeals to people looking for quick, affordable coverage. But here's the downside. It offers relatively low coverage limits, which may not be enough for families with significant financial needs. The company can process claims online, which is a major inconvenience in today's digital world, rather. And most concerning, Globe Life Insurance or Globe Life receives far more complaints than expected for a company of its size, according to industry data. Compared to other insurers, Globe Life falls short. It holds a 2.5-star rating, while competitors like Northwestern Mutual rank much higher with stronger customer satisfaction and financial stability. So is Globe Life Insurance legit? Yes, it's a real company with strong financial backing, but it comes with serious drawbacks. High complaint rates, limited coverage, and make it less appealing than other options out there. If you're just looking for a small, simple policy with no medical exam, it might work for you. But for most people, better, more reliable alternatives exist. Thanks for watching. If you've had any experience with Globe Life, good or bad, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest views.